Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome to the class. My name is Mansi and I am your English grammar educator. Today I will explain you the 23rd chapter of class 7. This chapter name is word followed by appropriate preposition. Words जिनको कौन appropriate preposition follow करती है, देखते हैं कौन से होते हैं prepositions. Read the conversation and fill in the blanks. Tina, look at the eat on the bed. Diya, the cat, look at the cat on the bed. The cat is sleeping under the blanket. Look at the eat on the bed. The cat is under the blanket. Noun क्या है? Cat. Preposition यहाँ पर है on. यहाँ वर्ब है eat और sleeping is sleeping या sleeping. यहां अंडर है वर्ब. आइए चलते हैं. सर्टेन नाउन एडजेक्टिव्स एंड वर्ब आर फॉलोड बाय पर्टिकुलर प्रीपोजिशन. सर्टेन नाउन एडजेक्टिव्स और वर्ड किससे फॉलो होते हैं? पर्टिकुलर प्रीपोजिशन से. नाउन फॉलोड बाय प्रीपोजिशन. नाउन जो जिनको प्रीपोजिशन फॉलो करते हैं देखते हैं. शी हैज सेंड अस एन इनविटेशन टू लंच. देयर इज नो लिमिट टू हिज एम्बिशन. Her longing for her son is great. I hope she will justify my confidence in her. Miss Rima has no control over her emotion. He felt grief at the death of his pet. Her haters for him was very great. I have no interest in drama. She is a disgrace to her community. We owe a duty to our nation. He has no excuse for not doing his project. His fondness for her is natural. Health means freedom from care. I know nothing of his quarrel with her. I have a great regard for him. Quinine is a remedy of malaria. A charge of murder was laid at his door. I have every claim on you. Why don't you load a complaint against your noisy flatmate? This man is a reputation for honesty. The young have no respect for aged pupil. All pupil felt great sympathy for her in her sufferings. He is always in need of money. He is blamed for neglect of duty. Next is I praise her obedience to her elder. I have no objection to your going place. I am always at peace with my classmate. The queen felt pity for the disabled. Her great pride in her wealth is silly. He has made no progress in his life. आइए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट है एडजेक्टिव फॉलोड बाय प्रीपोजिशन. एडजेक्टिव कौन से फॉलो करते हैं? Why are you interested in this job? She is jealous of her friend's success. The servant was loyal to his master. This ship is bound for India. He is busy with his music. She is capable of improvement. She is very careful about her attire. He was charged with murder. Nisha is confident of success. She is conscious of her errors. All were astonished at her rage. He is averse to regular job. He is backward in his thinking. Fresh fruit and vegetable are beneficial to the health. May you always be blessed with good health. I am obliged to her for humbleness. Health is preferable to wealth. This boy is quick at making excuse. I am satisfied with her behavior. He is desirous of working abroad. His religious views are different from them. I disgusted with her behavior. The students acts contrary to the teacher's instruction. Will this train be convenient for you? She is courteous to children. She is dependent on her husband. The dog is very faithful to his master. Her face seemed quite familiar to her mother. I am not familiar with her tricks. This book is full of error. The accident was due to careless driving. He is not eligible for this profile. Health is essential to happiness. The beggar was found guilty of theft. All of us were shocked at the news of his death. I was ignorant of his mistake. His speech was suited to the occasion. He was negligent in his job. Next is verb followed by preposition. अब verb कैसे follow करती है? I will not hide the truth from the best friend. We always hope for the betterment. She insisted on me leaving the place at once. She introduced me to her friend. May I join in the event? Keep to the point, please. His conduct called for a punishment. We charged him with theft. Anger may be compared to fire. She died of hunger. I differ with you on this matter. She has disposed of all her assets. He deals in Japanese food. The thieves broke into his office at night. He bought his watch from London. He called to his father for help. The soldiers bravely defended our country against enemies. Slaves are deprived of their rights. Explain this question to me. He never complains of not having enough resources. Confess your secret to none. The medicine cured him of his illness. They were fighting for their independence. He got over his past. He is averse to slog. You must bear with my anger. The wave beat against the rock. I do not believe in her honesty. He blamed himself for his loss. She boasts of being the best dancer in the class. Now come to the next point. Write the following sentence by correcting the underlined preposition in each sentence. इन sentences को हमें फिर से लिखना है करेक्ट करके इनकी preposition को. We arrived to station at 4 p.m. तो we arrived at station at 4 p.m. I do not care of her views. I do not care for her views. Beware with wild animal. Beware of वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. ऑल ऑफ अस एम फॉर एक्सीलेंस. तो ये करेक्ट है, इसको ऐसे ही लिखेंगे. ऑल ऑफ अस एम ऑफ एक्सीलेंस भी कर सकते हैं. वेल मैनर्ड चिल्ड्रन आर रिस्पेक्टफुल टू ऑल. वेल मैनर्ड चिल्ड्रन आर respectful to all. I disagree to you on this topic. I disagree with you on this topic. I am proud for my family. I am proud of my इसमें हम ये एक्सेलेंस एम ऑफ एक्सीलेंस भी कर सकते हैं. दोनों करेक्ट हैं. ऑल ऑफ अस एम ऑफ एक्सीलेंस. Now come to the next question. The next one is take write the correct option. She is cause of the chore. I have great respect of him. Respect for him. She dreamed dash becoming a pilot one day. She dreamed of becoming a pilot one day. She knocked at every door for food. I congratulate him for his promotion. आइए चलते हैं नेक्स्ट इज लाइफ स्किल. जस्ट लाइक प्रीपोजिशन हेल्प अस प्लेस नाउन एडजेक्टिव एंड वर्ब प्रॉपर्ली, लाइकवाइज वी शुड प्लेस आवर प्रायोरिटीज इन लाइफ प्रॉपर्ली. जैसे प्रीपोजिशन हमें हेल्प करती है नाउन एडजेक्टिव और वर्ब को प्रॉपर्ली प्लेस करने में, ऐसे ही हमें प्रायोरिटीज रखनी चाहिए हमारी लाइफ को प्रॉपर बनाने में. डिस्कस योर प्रायोरिटीज विद योर पार्टनर. अपने पार्टनर के साथ अपनी प्रायोरिटीज को डिस्कस करना है. एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव माई एग्जाम्स नेक्स्ट वीक सो आई शुड स्टडी नाउ. I feel tired all the time, so I should eat and sleep well. I am gaining weight, so I should play outdoor games. तो ऐसे आपको अपने प्रायोरिटीज को डिस्कस करना है अपने पार्टनर के साथ. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.